The truth is shocking. For most people over 60, coffee isn't just a drink. It's a daily ritual. But what if I told you that your morning coffee could either drain your energy or actually rebuild your strength faster than expensive supplements? See, after 60, the body loses around 8% of muscle every decade. That's why energy fades, balance weakens, and fatigue hits quicker. But here's the good news. When you mix your coffee with certain natural powders, it can turn into a powerful health drink that boosts strength, protects your heart, and even helps burn belly fat. Today, I'll reveal 8 science-backed powders you can add to your coffee, ranked from number 8 to number 1. And trust me, number 4 will surprise you. Before we start, tell me, how old are you and where are you watching from? I read every comment personally. And if you care about your health and love learning natural ways to stay strong, then make sure to subscribe to Golden Life Health, because what you'll hear today can truly change your mornings and your life. Cinnamon. Most people think of cinnamon as just a flavor for desserts or apple pie. But when you stir it into your morning coffee, it becomes a powerful muscle and energy booster. This warm spice does more than just taste good. It helps fight inflammation, improve circulation, and balance blood sugar levels, all of which are crucial after 60, when your energy and strength naturally start to dip. Take John, 68, who always felt drained after lunch and struggled to climb stairs. His wife suggested he add cinnamon to his coffee every morning. Within weeks, his energy stayed steady all day, his legs felt stronger, and even his blood sugar dropped by 20 points. His doctor couldn't believe it, all from a single teaspoon of cinnamon a day. Here's why it works. Cinnamon prevents sharp spikes in blood sugar, which usually trigger big insulin releases. Those swings make your muscles tired and slow recovery. But when your sugar levels stay stable, your muscles get steady fuel, and your energy lasts longer. Just half a teaspoon of Ceylon, true cinnamon in your morning coffee can make a real difference. And unlike sugary creamers or flavored syrups, cinnamon adds no calories, no sugar, just pure, natural support for your metabolism, strength, and vitality. Cocoa, you might be surprised. But the same cocoa powder used for hot chocolate can be one of the best muscle-supporting additions to your coffee. When you use pure unsweetened cocoa, not the sugary kind, your regular cup becomes a rich source of flavonols, compounds that boost blood flow, calm inflammation, and speed up recovery. This is especially helpful for seniors, because as we age, blood circulation slows down, meaning your muscles don't get enough oxygen and nutrients. The result? Fatigue, stiffness, and weakness. Evelyn, 72, loved her morning walks but noticed she was getting slower and more tired. Her grandson suggested adding a teaspoon of cocoa powder to her coffee. Within a few weeks, her legs felt lighter, her stamina improved, and even her blood pressure went down. Her doctor was stunned. Why? Cocoa helps your blood vessels relax and widen, improving oxygen delivery to your muscles. Combined with coffee's natural caffeine, it creates the perfect balance. Caffeine boosts your energy, and cocoa improves circulation. To get these benefits, always use unsweetened natural cocoa powder. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your coffee adds a deep, smooth flavor and turns it into a daily muscle and heart health drink. Coconut or MCT oil. It might sound odd to add oil to your coffee, but in many Asian cultures, it's a daily health ritual, especially for older adults who want to stay sharp, active, and full of energy. Unlike the regular fats that weigh you down, coconut oil and MCT oil, medium-chain triglycerides, are clean-burning fuels for your brain and muscles. They're quickly converted into ketones, a powerful energy source that doesn't rely on sugar. That means fewer energy crashes, clearer thinking, and lasting stamina all day long. Take Harold, 69, who used to feel shaky and tired by mid-morning. He'd grab cookies or sugary snacks just to keep going. Then, on his son's advice, he started adding a teaspoon of MCT oil to his morning coffee. Within a week, he noticed his energy stayed steady till lunch. No crashes, no cravings. After 2 months, he had lost 7 pounds without dieting. He said, "It feels like my body woke up again." Here's the science. As we age, our cells struggle to use sugar efficiently. MCTs bypass that problem by giving your body instant fuel. Just 1 teaspoon blended into your coffee creates a smooth, creamy texture and provides energy that lasts for hours. Stay consistent, and you'll notice fewer dips in focus and stamina, all from a simple, natural addition to your coffee. Milk or soy? Milk, you might not think much about what you pour into your coffee, but adding milk or soy milk can completely transform your cup into a muscle-supporting, bone-strengthening drink. After 60, your body begins losing muscle faster, a condition known as sarcopenia. The best way to fight it? Get high-quality protein first thing in the morning when your muscles are most ready to rebuild. Milk provides complete protein, all the amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscle. One key amino acid, leucine, flips the muscle-building switch inside your cells. If you prefer plant-based options, soy milk is an amazing alternative, rich in protein and isoflavones that also support bone density and heart health. Take Dolores, 72, who had been drinking black coffee for years. Her daughter, a nurse, suggested she switch to soy milk. At first, she didn't notice much, but within a few months, her arms felt stronger, her stamina improved, and even her bone density test came back better. Half a cup of milk or soy milk adds around 4-6 grams of protein, enough to slow down muscle loss and protect your bones. If you're sensitive to dairy, try lactose-free or fortified soy milk with added calcium and vitamin D. It's one of the easiest ways to turn your daily cup into a real muscle and bone health booster. Collagen when? Most people hear collagen. They think of skin creams or beauty ads. But after 60, collagen isn't about wrinkles. It's about staying strong, mobile, and pain-free. Collagen is like the glue that holds your body together. It supports your joints, muscles, bones, and connective tissues, keeping them flexible and resilient. Here's the problem. After age 60, your body makes less collagen, around 1% less every year. Over time, that leads to stiff joints, muscle soreness, and slow recovery. That's where collagen powder comes in. It's a simple, science-backed way to refill what age takes away. Take Robert, 70, who loved gardening but dreaded the pain that followed. Kneeling or bending left him sore for days. His daughter told him to add a scoop of collagen powder to his morning coffee. Within weeks, he noticed his joints felt looser, his knees hurt less, and he could garden again without fear. Collagen provides amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact nutrients your body uses to rebuild connective tissues. Mixing collagen with coffee helps it dissolve easily, and caffeine improves circulation, delivering those nutrients faster. Research shows collagen users report less stiffness, faster recovery, and stronger mobility within a few weeks. So instead of relying on painkillers, try turning your coffee into a daily joint and muscle-supporting ritual. 1 scoop a day, 1 step closer to freedom of movement. Whey protein. Most people think whey protein is just for bodybuilders or young gym goers. But the truth is, after 60, your body needs more protein than ever before, not to get bulky, but to simply keep the muscle you already have. As we age, our body becomes less responsive to protein, a condition called anabolic resistance. That means even if you eat well, your body doesn't use protein as efficiently. This is where whey protein becomes a secret weapon. Whey is one of the most complete, easily absorbed sources of protein on the planet, rich in the amino acid leucine, which literally flips your body's muscle-building switch. Studies show seniors who include whey protein can gain up to 38% more lean muscle compared to those who don't. They also report better balance, faster walking speed, and higher overall energy. Take Helen, a 67-year-old retired teacher. She noticed her arms and legs getting weaker, and even carrying groceries felt like a struggle. On her son's suggestion, she started adding a scoop of unflavored whey isolate to her morning coffee. In just a few weeks, she felt her strength returning. Her arms felt firmer, her legs steadier, and her morning walks easier than ever. Here's how it works. After a night of fasting, your muscles are craving protein. A scoop of whey protein in your coffee first thing in the morning gives your body exactly what it needs to rebuild and repair. No sugar, no chalky taste, Just pure muscle nourishment that keeps you active and independent. So next time you make your coffee, think of it not just as a drink, but as your daily dose of strength and vitality in a cup. 7. Chia seeds. They might look small, but chia seeds are one of nature's most concentrated superfoods, especially powerful for people over 60. These tiny seeds are packed with plant-based protein, omega-3 fats, and fiber, the perfect trio for your muscles, joints, and digestion. When you grind chia seeds before adding them to coffee, you unlock their full power. They support steady energy, better digestion, and lower inflammation, all crucial for staying active with age. Take George, 70, who struggled with fatigue, belly fat, and sluggish digestion. After adding a teaspoon of ground chia seeds to his morning coffee, everything changed. His energy lasted longer, his stomach felt lighter, and his joints became more flexible. Within weeks, even his waistline started shrinking. Here's why. Chia's fiber helps your gut work smoothly, while omega-3s fight inflammation in your muscles and joints. The plant protein inside helps maintain muscle tone, especially when paired with the caffeine and warmth of coffee. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons each morning can make a noticeable difference in your energy, digestion, and joint comfort. It's a simple, natural upgrade that costs almost nothing, but gives your body the foundation it needs to thrive. Turmeric with black pepper, it's incredible. How 2 ordinary kitchen spices, turmeric and black pepper, can become one of the most powerful combinations for your health after 60. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is one of the world's best natural anti-inflammatories. It helps calm the inflammation behind joint pain, stiff muscles, and even artery damage. But here's the secret. Curcumin alone isn't easily absorbed. That's why you always pair it with black pepper, which boosts its absorption by up to 2,000%. Just half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper in your coffee can transform it into a healing tonic that supports your joints, heart, and brain. The heat from coffee activates the curcumin, helping it flow through your bloodstream faster. Take Satoshi, 73, who had to give up gardening because of knee pain. After adding turmeric and black pepper to his morning coffee, his stiffness faded, his energy returned, and soon he was back in the garden, pain-free. This golden combo doesn't just fight pain. It helps your body move better, heal faster, and feel lighter every day. It's proof that nature's most powerful medicine often comes from the simplest habits. So, my friend, now you know the secret. It's not about taking fancy supplements or chasing expensive treatments. It's about using what nature already gave us on simple, pure natural powders that help your body heal, rebuild, and feel young again. When you start your morning coffee, you're not just waking up your mind, you're also waking up your cells, muscles, and metabolism. Whether it's a spoon of turmeric with black pepper, a scoop of whey protein, or a sprinkle of chia seeds, every choice you make brings you one step closer to strength, clarity, and longevity. Because the truth is, after 60, your body still wants to live, grow, and feel vibrant. It just needs your support. Your small daily choices that say, yes, I still care about my health. Imagine waking up one morning, pain-free. Your knees don't ache. Your hands move smoothly. You walk with confidence again. And when you look in the mirror, you see someone who's not getting old, but getting stronger. That's what these natural powders do. They don't just extend your life, they improve it. And that's what Golden Life Health is all about, helping you live better, longer, and naturally. So, start your journey today. Pick one of these natural boosters, add it to your morning coffee, and watch your energy and strength come back day by day. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Golden Life Health, because every week, we bring you more science-backed, natural solutions to help you stay healthy, active, and full of life after 60. Remember, your health is your wealth, and your golden life begins when you start taking care of it.